Alrighty, so 3 weeks of new growth here before I last shaved my head bald. This video is basically a DIY, do-it-yourself bald head haircut. So again, I'm using the Andis T outliners. Let's get straight into it, you guys. So it's really simple. You know, when you start off at the top, you just want to hold your skin taut and you just want to cut straight back, okay? That's with the top part of your head. So you see how I'm shaving it straight back? Okay, so as you're cutting it, you'll notice a lot of hairs get onto the clippers. You'll just use a brush or something like that to just sweep those hairs off, because you don't want to clog up the clippers. All right, so as you're cutting it, you just want to brush just to make sure that you can see what you've cut so far. So let's get back to the top again. We want to hold it taut. Let me give you guys a very close-up view here, as close as I can get. The good thing about doing this is that you save so much money. I mean, to go back to my barber now and get this same service, you know, go back to my barber now and get this same service, you know, a bald head, line my beard up and all those things, easily like 50 bucks nowadays, maybe even more than that, you know, especially considering if you leave a tip and things like that. So this DIY, do-it-yourself bald head haircut, save a lot of money by doing this. All right, straight back to it. It's a very simple method here. Okay, again, I'm just holding the top of my head taut, and I'm just gliding. I'm just gliding across with the clippers here, with the trimmers. I'm not putting a whole bunch of pressure. I'm not digging into my scalp. I'm just letting it just see. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm just letting it glide. All right, so now you know when you do the top, you just want to hold it taut and you just want to go straight back with the trimmers, okay? And as you do it, you want to brush to see what you've done or not done. Look at that, looking like George Jefferson. Look at that. Might make that a new hairstyle right there. What y'all think about that? Never know. Anything can become popular nowadays, right? All right, so with the sides, I just want to always start on my sideburns just to give myself a little taper here. All right, then I hold the sides taut as well. Again, this is 3 weeks of new growth for me. Usually I try to do this every week. Sometimes I get lazy, sometimes I just don't feel like it. Sometimes I'm tired, I'm sleepy. I've had a long week and things like that. But let's see here. The thing that I like about these Andis T outliners is that these are so sharp, and I have coarse and thick hair. Again, 3 weeks of new growth here. These Andis T outliners are so sharp that it just cuts straight through that with ease, as you guys can see. So with the sides, you just want to go straight up, hold your scalp taut. Okay. Hold it taut. All right. Off my clippers here. DIY, save some money. Do it yourself. Let me brush this away. Like I say, as you're cutting, you just want to be brushing away just to make sure that you're getting all the spots. You know, you don't want to be left with a patch of hair up there, you know. Just brush away as you do it. It's a pretty quick process, you know, once you get the hang of it. So again, on the sides, you just want to hold your scalp taut and go up in an upwards motion on the sides. Like I say, with my sideburns here, I just take Give it a little taper. Boom. Saving so much money. By the way, the t-shirt that I have on here, you guys, I have my own Christian-based company, lightshinecreations.com. I have different shirts on there, free shipping, and you get a free wristband as well. lightshinecreations.com. Let's get straight back to this. So again, on the sides, you just want to hold your skin taut, go in a straight upwards motion. Okay, then when you get around your ear, okay, you want to protect your ear, of course. You don't want to scratch that up or cut yourself, because these trimmers are pretty sharp. Okay. Saving money, saving money. Time as well. I don't have to drive to the barbershop. The barbershop that I go to is about 35 minutes away from here. So, now for this side, same thing. Okay, you just want to hold your skin taut and go in the upwards motion. And when you're doing behind your ear, you want to protect your ears, of course, okay? Let me know what you guys think about this video so far in the comments. Is it helpful? Is it informative? Keep it real with me. I will reply to your comment. Give me within 24 hours. I'll reply. Forgive me, you guys, I'm left-handed. It's kind of hard to show you guys this angle. Alright. So again, as you're cutting, you see all the hairs that build up in the trimmers there? You want to have this little brush like this. You know, it's real simple, and you just want to be able to just clean those hairs off of there. Because the more you leave on there, you don't want your trimmers all jammed up. You want it to be clear and be able to cut your hair properly. All right, so it's pretty simple. We getting there. All right. Usually I'm further along than this, but I'm taking time to explain to you guys, so it's just adding more time. But usually by the 3 or 4 minute mark, I'm done with the top and the sides. But this video is just an informative video, a DIY on how to do it. So it's taking just a little bit longer because I'm step by step explaining things. Get the sides here. And just giving myself a little taper on my sideburns here. Boom. All right, and then one tidbit that I would tell you guys. Now I'm used to doing this. All right, so ideally, especially if you have thicker hair like me, you want to do this. You want to use the Andis T outliners or something similar to this. Wahl has theirs too. I forget what theirs is called. But ideally, you want to do this like every week, every couple of weeks, maybe even every few days or so, because the more hair you have, the longer it's going to take to cut it. I mean, it's not taking super long now, but because I've waited 3 weeks to do this, my hair is thicker now, it's thicker than usual. So it's not just going to glide across my scalp super duper smooth like it usually does. I have to put a little bit, I have to be kind of repetitive like I am now here. You see that? But again, I'm not being overly aggressive. I'm not pressing really hard or anything like that. Just holding my skin taut and cutting along. All right. So, don't want to make this video too long. I'm not going to show the entire haircut. I've got plenty of other videos on my channel here where I do the entire cut, but this video is just basically showing a DIY, do it yourself, on how you can shave your head bald. Now, okay, I'm sorry. I'm getting too far ahead of myself here. Let me at least show you guys the back, right? So we've talked about the front. You just want to go straight back, okay? Hold your skin taut, go straight back with the front. With the sides here, you want to hold your skin taut and you want to go in an upwards motion, okay? So with this side, you want to go in the upwards motion as well while you're holding your skin taut. And what I mean by holding your skin taut, let me give you guys a visual on that. So with the top part, you want to, okay, you see how my skin is pulling back? Okay, you can figure out different variations, whatever works best for you. Now on the side, you'll see me do this. You pull it, there's a lot of different ways that you can do it. Whatever way that you're comfortable with it, whatever works for you. But holding the skin taut, that allows for your clippers to just pass through your scalp that much easier. So it's the same thing on the back. So you hold your skin taut. Hopefully you guys see that. Yeah, you guys see that. So hold your skin taut, and on the back part, you want to go straight up. Okay. Go straight up. Alright. Now, let me explain something to you guys. So, you see how much hair is on the trimmers there? Usually it's not like that. It's just that I've taken so long to cut my hair. Usually I don't wait 3 weeks, But like I said, life comes at you. It is what it is. I'm going to cut the video right here. Now, with the back, you just want to go straight up. Usually I can just go straight up, just straight up, but I've got 3 weeks of new growth hair here. I've got thicker hair. So when I go up, I have to keep, as you guys can see, I have to just keep going in little spurts here because my hair is so thick. I can't just like I usually do. But like I said, you can check out the rest of my videos here on my channel, and you can see where I just much easier just go straight up the back, go straight up the sides and things like that. But I've just got so much new growth that my hair is thicker, so I have to pass through. You'll see me doing things like, instead of going like this, you'll see me going like, because you don't want the trimmers to start pulling your hair or anything like that. So I hope that this video was informative. Again, this is just a DIY, a do-it-yourself on how you can cut your hair bald using trimmers. Again, these are the Andis T outliners. These are fantastic. These don't give me any irritation, no razor bumps, no burning, no itchiness, nothing like that at all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the video short here. I'm gonna finish up my haircut myself because I don't want to make this video too long. I've got a lot of cleaning up to do. It's hair all over the place. So I hope that this video wasn't too long. I hope it was informative. And again, don't forget to check out the website, Christian-based t-shirts. I'm the owner of LightShineCreations.com. I've got a few designs on there. This is one of my favorite ones. No greater love than this, right? It's fantastic. Free shipping. You'll get a free wristband as well. I ship anywhere within the United States for free, not including Hawaii though, okay? So right now I just have all black colors. You'll get free shipping. I've got sizes small through 5X, all right? So check out the website, LightShineCreations.com. Thank you guys for checking out this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button though. If you already subscribed, thank you. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comments. Feel free to give your honest input, advice, questions, suggestions, things like that, and I will reply to your comments. So peace out. Hit that subscribe button though. Have a good one.